Good day, grade 7. Today is our computer 7 in week 4 in 4th quarter E-class. Again, my name is Rinaldo B. Malimban. In our objectives of Microsoft PowerPoint, that the student to learn about the presentation software and using Microsoft PowerPoint, about the slide views, preparing text, drawings, and graphics, embedding and holy content, and the slide animation. Let's talk about the Microsoft PowerPoint. So this powerful presentation steers us interest of audience through the full content, visually appealing and interactive presentation that may include the animation, translation, narration, images, videos, and more. All effects should supplement and have great relevance to the topic. It can be operated manually or automatically. So let us try to introduce the what is PowerPoint. In a Microsoft PowerPoint, usually called just PowerPoint, is a presentation program by Microsoft. PowerPoint is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives you everything you need to produce the professional looking presentation. PowerPoint offers word processing, outlining, drawing, wrapping, and presentation management tools, all designed to be easy to use and learn. Now, there are 14 versions include 2010. So Microsoft PowerPoint is the software that allows you to build this kind of presentation. It has capacity to build a high quality presentation that can enhance audience interest and participation. Another is the PowerPoint is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives everything that we need to produce the professional looking presentation. PowerPoint offers word processing software, outlining, drawing, wrapping, and presentation management tools are designed to be easy to use and learn. Now, what are some of the best PowerPoint templates? The PowerPoint template is the blueprint of slide. It is saved with extension of PPTX. A template contains ready-made layouts, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects, styles, and content suggestion. So you can customize and create your own template and save it. Use PPTX extension to name it as your customized template. There are also lists of free templates available online and in the office.com website. Example of these templates are listed below. One is the agendas, newsletters, business cards, planners, purchase orders, design slides, schedules, flyers, common forms, plans, invitations, statements, list, contracts, minutes, calendars, slides containing content, gift certificates, diagrams, expense reports, time sheets, reports, memos, invoice, labels, resumes, brochures, budgets, postcard, award certificates, receipts, envelopes, fact sheets, stationery, greeting cards, inventories, database, and letters. So a template can include also the following: So this template can include the following is number 1, subject specific content. So the want to jump to bookmark in your video. In the sample is the subject specific content. It can be edited from the slide master only. 2. Background format. The includes of features texture, gradient or solid fill color, and transparency. Third, color, fonts, effects, and theme designs elements. This is the 3D, lines, fills, shadows, color, and gradient effects. The fourth one also text placeholder. It all allows you to enter the information to customize the slide. Let's talk about the PowerPoint theme. A theme is a designer quality layout in one or more slides with a coordinating colors, matching background with the font and effects you can apply to tables, shapes, charts, and smart art graphics. This MS PowerPoint 2010 has several built-in themes with different options to change it. So there is a gallery of themes that you can use the customized. The one is the live preview. It shows over the thumbnail to see the changes and to give you an option to select what theme you need for your presentation. So you have to click design, theme colors to select different themes. And themes can also be used to shared among other Office programs. You can save a theme to create the PowerPoint and use the Microsoft Word. So you have to click design, themes color to select different themes. Let's move on for the PowerPoint guidelines. So these characteristics of good PowerPoint presentation is number 1, simple. This is a simplicity in the beauty. Second, original. It's your work and it should be unique and original. Number 3, relevant. The slide in the presentation matches the topic. 4, clear. Slides are not filled up with unnecessary clip art and pictures. 5, limited. Slides are limited with words but full of ideas. 6, clarity and readability. Fonts are large enough that the audience from the distance can read. 7, good environment. It has a background color that is set to a good mood and attitude. The color matches each other. Number 8, no distraction. So distractions like personal features, logos, animated GIF, sound effects, slow motion animations, etc. And number 9, unnecessary distraction. Slides don't have unnecessary transitions and sound effects. And the last, number 10, never more the pointer while presenting. Why? Because hold question until the end so everyone can receive accurate information. Next is the storyboard. In the storyboard is a visual organizer. It is a way of putting ideas together. It is a script or presentation plan. It provides an overall the outline of what your presentation will look like, including the topics, features, flow, and alternative ideas. So what are some guidelines in storyboard? One is plan your slide presentation, especially the map. Use your plan to design your presentation. Think of important information you need to present. Think of the following. What are your goals? What is your presentation for? To educate, to convince, to inform, to entertain, or all of this above. You have to decide what pictures or diagrams you need in creating your presentation. You can draw or sketch, or maybe label your presentation in proper order. 5. Adjust the flow of your presentation. Work on it in MS PowerPoint. In the storyboard template. Example, the slide number, the theme, the topic, effects applied, and the content plan, notes, and descriptions. Next is the Microsoft PowerPoint interface. Last time we talked this in week 4, week 3. All Microsoft Office package have common interface. So the difference of Microsoft PowerPoint are the ribbons, slide pane, slide outside pane, notes pane, view buttons, and ribbons. But today, in a Microsoft PowerPoint interface, we have the quick access toolbar, the group, the slide pane, the zoom, the view, the note panes, status bar, tab, and the office button. Let's talk about the type of Microsoft PowerPoint interface. Number 1, the title bar. It appears at the upper part of your PowerPoint template. It displays the name of the document and the program. 2. Program level control buttons. It consists of buttons like minimize, maximize, restore, and close. Number 3. Quick access toolbar. It is an easy access on the commands that are frequently used. 4. Ribbon. These are commands grouped together in a tab form. 5. Slides outline page. It shows a preview of a specific slide. It displays the small thumbnail of all the slides in the active presentation. 6. Notes pane. It appears below the slide pane and provides the space for the author of the presentation to enter the notes. 7. View buttons. It is used to display the presentation in the different views. Views are normal, slide shorter, reading view, and the slide show. And 8. The status bar. It appears in the lower left portions of the program screen and displays the status of document like number of words, page, language, etc. Another view in a Microsoft PowerPoint tab, ribbons. The one is the File tab. File tab is the backstage view that shows option for saving, opening file, printing, and sharing your documents because it contains the save or save as, open, close, info, recent, new print, save, and send help option and exit commands. While the Home tab, it is the most used tab. It contains the clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, arrange, and editing tools. In the Insert tab, it contains the tables, images, illustrations, links, text symbols, media, and plus commands. Why? Because it allows you to insert the text and media support to make your presentation interesting. Next is the Design tab. It contains the page setup, themes, and background commands. Why? Because another it is as commands that will allow you to create a pre-designed theme background for your presentation. Next is the Transitions to this slide tab. So this tab allows you to apply transitions effects to the slides and embed the sound effects. It contains the preview, slide transitions, and timing commands. Example, the vertex transition, the honeycomb, and the switch. Next is the Animations tab. It contains the preview animation, advanced animation, and timing commands. So this tab allows you to apply animation effects in every object in your slide. You can preview as you move your mouse pointer on the effects like spin animation, wipe animation, ripple, and street. Next is the Slideshow tab. So when you start the slideshow, you have to click button to show the show from the beginning current slide. So this is the set up the slideshow to run and continuously. So this slideshow tab contains start slideshow, set up and monitor command. It used to custom slide show, rehearse the timing, and the record slideshow before show casting. Next is the Review tab. So this Review tab contains proofing language comments and compares command tools. Why? Because it is used to insert, to edit the delete comments or the comments when you are editing the slide presentation. The View tab. The View tab, it contains presentations, views, master views, show zoom, color, grayscale, window, and macros commands. Because this tab gives you a different views while working on your presentation. And the last of the tab is the Acrobat tab. So this Acrobat tab, it contains create Adobe PDF, create and the email, review, and comment, create a run action, and flash. This tab is used when you want to convert your file as an Acrobat file. Now in a PowerPoint, how to give the important getting started with MS PowerPoint. So here is a brief description of basic steps in the operating MS PowerPoint. To create blank new presentation, open MS PowerPoint. Click File, plus New, plus Available, Templates, and Themes, Blank Presentation, Create. Then a new blank presentation appears in the PowerPoint window. To open an existing PowerPoint presentation, click File, then Open. At the left pane of the Open dialog box, click the drive or folder that contains the PowerPoint presentation. At the right pane of the Open dialog box, open the folder that contains the PowerPoint presentation that you want to open. Then click the file, then click Open. To open the template, open MS PowerPoint. Click File, New, and the available templates and the TeamsOffice.com templates download. A template will appear for your work on. How to save the PowerPoint presentation. So click File, Save As, enter the name for your document, and then click Save. To print slide presentation, click the file and print. Choose the print layout from the print options. You can print up to 9 slides horizontal or vertical per paper. You can choose the printed materials as your guide. While presenting, you are aware the transitions of your slides. And this is my example. So, again, a powerful presentation steers the interest of audience through the full content, visually appealing, and interactive presentation that may include the animation, translation, narration, images, videos, and more. And the PowerPoint is the presentation of software. It has a big number of background, templates, transition effects, layout, and animations. Multimedia such as pictures, images, videos, and sounds can be added and edited. And lastly, a PowerPoint template is a blueprint of slide. It is saved with extension of PPTX, and a template contains ready-made layouts, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects, style, and content suggestion. That's all for today. For more updates and clarification, please send a comment of my personal messenger. Thank you. My name is Mr. Rinaldo B.